Now, I have no idea what in the world is going on here. I mean, just what we need. Another skid steer, Ove. Already got 2 dang skid loaders, and now you got a 3rd mini going on here. What in the world is this thing? This is a Mach Pro MS330 skid steer, 25 horsepower. And look at this. You step on the back here. Get up there, boy. Got a little light. Does it work? Whoo! We got light, boy. Look at that. What's this sucker got? Is it only 1.1 hours? Is this thing new? What in the world? This is wicked cool. Bam, bam, bam. Oh my gosh, look at that. The handles up here. What? Forward, reverse. Vroom. This thing's probably super fun to drive. It's even got little tracks on it. Look at this thing. This thing is way cool, ain't it? What's that for the battery? Unbelievable. I wonder how much dirt it can move. What size bucket it got? Look at that thing. That's gonna be perfect. But you guys already know Ovi can make anything. Let's see, does that open up? That's just the hydraulic system in there, the pump. Look at that booger. This thing's crazy, ain't it, guys? Oh my gosh. Well, I asked him, what in the world are you planning on doing with this sucker? And well, quite simply put, it's going to be used to move trucks around the shop. A lot of trucks come down here, they don't run, batteries are dead, what have you, they're rollers. So this thing, Ovi's going to modify the bucket to some sort of unique hitch system, so it'll be able to lift and move trucks around out in the lot. So I think that's a super epic idea because it's such a pain to try to jump trucks and move stuff around. So this is going to be super handy down here at the shop. So this ain't really a toy. It's a working vehicle now. So we're gonna have to stick around and see what he does. But again, if he can modify, he can stretch a razor 48 inches. He can make custom trailer apps. He can do it all. This is going to be a layup for him, but this thing is way cool. I like the colors too. I wonder, should we wrap it, you know? I don't know, but we'll see what he ends up doing with this sucker, but way cool, Ove. What's going on, guys? I know it's been a hot minute, but welcome back to the channel here. We are diving right into my next find down here at the shop. And boy, I am in love with junk vehicles. For some reason, I am one of them guys that see any diesel truck and I think it's a gold mine. I think it's a lights out project to do on the channel to save it, to bring it back to its glory of what it once was. And I just have this addiction to clapped out vehicles, and Ovi thinks I'm nuts. You guys probably think I'm nuts, but I got another one for you. I've pretty much given up on the 6.0 for now. Ovi did park it out back here at the shop to keep it for a little while longer. You never know. Again, it probably will go down the road. It was just a little too rough. And well, we got a newer one that's maybe even worse, actually. I want to show you this, guys. I'm just having an absolute riot with this truck stuff. So let's go check out. We got another Ford down here, and we got a 6.7 Powerstroke down here. Long bed the long way, and it's epic, kinda. I don't know, I'm goofy as can be, guys, but let's go check this thing out. The poor L5P's down, lightning's over here. What do we do? Too much to do, not enough time, not enough money, not enough excuses. And see, she's already going flat again, the 6.0. It was a great idea, wasn't it? While it lasted, it was fun while it lasted. I don't know. It's still possible. It's still something. Okay, come on over here, guys. Look at this beauty right here. Look at this 2011 F250, is it? Oh yeah. The 250 6.7. That was the first year they made them. I thought it was 2012, but it must have been 11. And look at this sucker. Boy, she is something else. What is it sitting on? Stocks. Oh boy, she is on stocks, ain't it? Look at them manual locking hubs right there like them Ford boys do. Yeah, got the stock wheels. Let's see what kind of shape it's in. Is this like a blacked out edition or what is it? It says Lariat on there. So did the other one. Got some mirrors, you know, got some window tint. Got some trim around there. Not a company truck before. Look at that, no logos on there, and running boards. How come these Fords don't rust near as bad as the Chevys? But anyways, look at how wide that is. Look at them big clumpers. Yeah, it's still intact. Maybe it'll buff up, I don't know. It had weeds growing up. Good thing the weeds are dying down here. But come around here, down here. Oh yeah, that rust is out. Stick your whole hand in there. Hello, what you doing in there, boy? Anyways, and look at the long bed. Come on, get through there, sure. And what do we got? Do we got different tires on the back? I don't know. Them white walls. Yeah, let's try to get in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's the rust, ain't it? In there. She's all right. Look at the exhaust on that booger, though. Let's see if we can get down there. Holy cow, that's like a 7 or 8 inch tip on that girl. Look at that unit right there. I bet she sounds good, right? The 4x4 and some chipping. Oh no, can we save it? I am just clowning, aren't I? And there's a few junks in the back. Couple parts in the back, you know, just parts of it. Coming around the back here, tailgate. What's a nut tailgate without a nice zigzag dent in there, you know? They all got them. Ooh, backup camera style. Wow, fancy pants. Hitch, you know, the works. Little cracked lens, gotta have the cracked lens on there. That's a must on these things. Oh, check out this side. This side's rust is just even worse. Look at that peel, boy. Bald tires, bald tires. What a mess under here. Yep, flat as can be again. What size are these? It don't even say. Load range ease. I don't know, boy. Anyways, that's nice. A little scratch and dent sail down the side. What do we got in here? Wire harnesses, radiator, some coolers. Boy, you know, oh, we've got a slider in there. We'll get to the interior in just a second, but man, check out the outside. Got the code, 1234. Fancy Ford stuff right there. No mirror. That takes a little bit off the list price, don't it? No mirror, it's a sad day. A little scratch there, but yeah, down here in front, oh yeah, you can spin them, boy. Lock them up. No headlights, I believe they're in the back seat. I threw the grill on here, and that sucker is heavy, boy. Looks like they went with the plasti dip. Remember the plasti dip? Why paint it when you can plasti dip it and look like crap? You know, the big old whatever this is going on here, and then ow. Yeah, she ain't gonna start, is she? She got no dang motor. That's gonna be a problem. Look at the transmission down there. She's lonely. Needs married up with a motor. Does have a battery. One battery, and everything else is missing. That's why she's a sitter, huh? That's why it ain't going nowhere. That's what we need the mini skid for, to pick this sucker up and move it around, huh? Look at this poor girl, just been sitting here rotting away. All right, we'll take you inside, shall we? Okay, and blah-blah, Super Duty with the seats cracking. Boy, get that in there. Come on now. Let's check it out. Got a little bit of wear and tear in there. Got the power mirrors. It does have power, so it's nice. It's not a work truck. What is going on? Are them alligator seats, or is that just like some sort of mildew? Or why is the seats like that? That one is too. Was it a pattern? Was this one of the options back in the day? I'll have to check it out. I don't know much about the Fords. Come up in here. Oh yeah. Got the official key. Oh my gosh, I'm a Ford guy now. Look at it. Should we close this up? Yeah. Oh heck yeah. This is way nicer than the 6.0. And boy, the seats are actually comfortable. Oh, we need a motor in here. Stat, boy. Got the nice wood grain. Look at that. This is actually a really nice setup here. I know they make some cool aftermarket screens and stuff you can get for these, which they do for everything. We could get some cool rock lights and stuff going on here, you know. Oh yeah. What's that? Microsoft Sync. I don't know what the heck that is. Yeah, this thing is super solid. No cracks on the dash. Yeah. Oh, no sunroof. Oh, the 6.0's got a sunroof. Well, there you guys are. Hello. Look at this. Steering wheel is actually in pretty decent shape. Yeah, look at how big the center console is. Super Duty. Look at that. 2011 owner's guide. Man, we still got all the owner's manuals in these things, Ove. And look at this little sauce. Sauce, ooey. Look at that thing. The SCT tunes, boy. So this sucker might actually cook with no motor. But yeah, that's cool. Yeah, we'll take that. Then what do we got in the back? The headlights. Look at how dang big those suckers are. Oh my gosh. Them are some big headlights. Well, you could take them apart and paint them. This thing is actually cool, but the long bed. Who the heck wants a long bed? But yeah, I don't know, guys. Just miscellaneous air filter. Yep. What's this? Aftermarket? Oh, AFE power, boy. Yeah, she got some goodies now. This thing might be kind of cool. Again, I fall in love with every darn vehicle. That's the problem. This thing's actually crazy, boy. I just love the old owner's manual. How sick is that? Wow. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? You guys like hanging out in junk trucks with me? Oh, I'm a riot. Yeah, so I'm having way too much fun in the junkyard truck. It's almost a series here now of just finding trucks out back. There's at least 1, 2, maybe even 3 more junkers down here. Do you guys like me doing this random stuff? I love trucks. This seat's actually more comfortable than my daily driver. Shout out to Ford, guys. Spending all this time in these Fords. We had the 6.0, we had the F450, now we got the 6.7, the 2011. It just got all these Fords. It's like freaking me out, man. That's too much Fords going on, but we'll get back into our good GM vehicles here next, maybe, or side-by-sides, or skid loaders, or whatever else we got coming to the channel. But we love you guys. Thanks for all the support. We'll see you in the next one. God bless you all. Peace.